This is your instructor, Victoria Clyott, and I'm going to show you how to format your essay document in correct MLA format. I'm using Microsoft Word for Mac, but with any word processor, there are a few things you should always look for and know how to use. The first thing is make sure that you have the right font. You should use a professional academic font. Cambria works, but you can also use Times Roman, Calibri, Arial, Courier. I'm going to use Arial because it's a big font that's easy to see. You must also make sure that your font is 12 point. So as you look here, this is the size of the letters. Make sure it's 12 point. I forgot to illustrate something that might make your job a little bit easier. If you go to the Edit tab in Microsoft Word, you should go ahead and select All or press your hotkey. And you can basically select the whole document and format it in one step instead of going back as you type your document. So what you should do is select All first. Then you can select your font size. If you go here, make sure your document is double spaced. And that's it. You're ready to start typing your essay. First things first, MLA, Modern Language Association format, you can have a cover page, but it's not necessary. It's just a waste of space for me and just one useless thing I have to read. So the first thing you should do is in the left-hand corner, first line, make sure you have 1-inch margins, top, bottom, left, right. Just type your name. The second piece of information should be your instructor, which would be me. So you type Professor Clyott. Make sure you type the section of your course. You are in English 131, section 96. This is important because as instructors we do grade several sections of an English course, and it's very easy to lose a student paper or on occasion misplace a student paper in the wrong pile. So it helps to know your section number and put it in your essay so that we can find it. Finally, for the header, just put your date, July 8th, 2013. That is when the essay is due. I would like you for your essay to also type a title, write a title. It doesn't have to be elaborate, it doesn't have to be fancy, but a short title that sort of indicates your main idea, your tone. I think that when students make an effort to give me a title, it also helps them focus on how they want to create that first impression of the essay. So I'm going to type the title and then center it. Oh, I can't type today. Okay. All you have to do is center your title. It doesn't have to be in different colors or larger or underlined. Next, you start typing your essay. It's as simple as that. All you have to do is indent 5 spaces, so I'm going to do that by pressing the Tab button. And I'm going to start writing. Assuming you're following the rubric I gave you, then you know that the first paragraph of Essay 1 should just be a summary of Fatima Mernissy's essay and her main idea. And it's as simple as that. One more thing, and this is always a confusing thing for students, but page numbers are important. You want to be able to know how to format page numbers because it will definitely be useful for you in your future English classes. So you can go to the format, but you can also just go to layout. And in most word processors, the page formatting can be found in layout. Also, you can go to insert and you'll see page numbers. You want your page number in the right-hand corner. So I'm going to put top of page, make sure the alignment is right. It's not necessary to show it on the first page. Microsoft Word will give you that option, so I'm going to turn it off in my document. But if you can't turn it off for the first page, if you have a page number on the first page, it's not a crime. It's okay. Okay, so let me insert a new page number, and you will see, go to insert, break, page break, and you will see the page number here. Okay. One more thing that I guess I should have also told you. When you insert page numbers, you can also insert your last name. And I think I'll show that to you in a different clip because it can get complicated if you're trying to find the tool in your word processor. But for now, just know that the first page of your essay is very simple. You have a header with the name, instructor, class, date. You have a title for your essay, and then make sure each new paragraph is indented 5 spaces, and make sure everything is double spaced. And it's as simple as that. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you're enjoying writing your first essay.